Hello, welcome back once again. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are simplifying without expanding this kind of question. Okay, x plus 1 all squared minus x minus 1 all squared over x. So straightforward. Since we are not to expand this, we can use this here. We can say that our a is equal to x plus 1 all squared, and then our b can be x minus 1 all squared. Okay, so our equation. So now, if we are to compare things like this, you see that we are going to get a squared minus b squared on x. You see. Now let's get back to our algebra. We have a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a minus b into bracket a plus b. Okay, so our expression is going to be x plus 1 all squared minus x minus 1 all squared, which is equal to bracket open x plus 1 minus x minus 1 bracket close, then x plus 1 x minus 1, sorry, plus, so here should be plus. Now let's simplify this, which is equal to simplify this, we have x plus 1 minus x plus 1 like this, then and then x plus x, we are getting 2x, then x plus 1 plus negative 1, so 1 minus 1 like this, which is equal to, now this is negative, so it will cancel this out, leaving 1 plus 1, so which is 2, then this one to negative will cancel the positive here, leaving 2x. Okay. So now our equation becomes 2 into bracket 2x x, okay, which is equal to 2 times 2x, we are getting 4x on x. Okay, so our 4x divided by x, we are getting this one will cancel this, so we're leaving 4, of which our x is not equal to 0, so our answer is 4 in this case. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together. Thank you. Bye bye.